The Cosori 13-in-1 pressure cooker. Is this the one for you and your kitchen at home? Well, I've got one. I'm going to unbox it and we're going to look at its dimensions. We're going to look what it can do, and hopefully by the end of the video you'll be able to decide if this is indeed the one. Right, let's get cracking. And welcome back to the channel, everybody. One air fryer too many. My name's Simon. For those of you that are new around here, go and hit subscribe so you don't miss another air fryer / kitchen gadget, pizza and barbecue video that I'm going to put out in the future. Right, so in front of me I've got the Cosori 13-in-1 pressure cooker. Okay, it's 5.7 litres and it reckons it's dead easy and dead quick to cook food. Now, long time viewers of the channel will know I love the Ninja Foodie, so can this live up to that kind of high expectations? So this has 13 cooking functions, but the main 9 functions that it has are pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, saute pan, stock pot, sous vide cooker and food warmer. So there's no air fry on this, so straight away there's a difference. However, hang around to the end because I'm going to tell you the price difference between this and the Ninja Foodie. Right, let's whip it out of the box. Okay, so and it's not a box in a box like we've been used to. Oh, nearly. Okay, so you've got the little cards with everything in, and then let's take this off. Got the plug, and then we've got the unit itself, and then we've just got the polystyrene in the bottom. Right, let's have a big reveal. And that is a really nice, neat, compact size, definitely. So let's open it up. So the lid locks on and locks off. It's got the vent on the top and the lock is there as well. See what we've got. We have a scoop with measuring guides on. We've got a little Cosori branded ladle. We've got the Cosori branded rice sort of paddle / mixer. We've got a warning card stating not to exceed the maximum line on the pot. We've got a rack with little handles so you can drop stuff down into the basket itself. And we have the pot. Pot itself, nice size pot, Cosori branded, and it has got a really nice coating on the inside of this. Very nice. Inside there's just a little sensor on the bottom that knows when the pot's in. However, there is a warning as well not to put liquid directly in there, it needs to go in the pot. Then on the back there's a little steam catcher, just there, and then we've got the plug. Nice and simple. So the seal as well, it is removable to wash as well. So the little orange dot lines up with an orange dot here. So and then you can seal and vent it on the side. It's really important you don't undo the lid when this is up to pressure. Okay, then, right, let's bring you in a bit closer. I'll get some measurements first, then I'll bring you in a bit closer, and I'll literally whip through functions that this has. Our screen man's here, and then in your pouch you've got a quick start guide, you've got a recipe card. We might have a flick through this in a bit and see what we're going to cook in this next week, so I'll do a video on this, and then we have the full-on user manual as well. And of course you've got the VSync app as well, with lots of different recipes on that you can use. Cosori app. Right, size. So let's have a look at the height, shall we? So let's go up to the handle. That's the highest point. It is 32 centimeters. We're going to go across from handle to handle. (34 centimeters). Then let's have a look at the pot itself. Okay, so the pot to the pressure cook maximum line that's inside the pot. It's 10.5 centimeters, and the usable diameter across the pot is 22 centimeters. Like I say, it's really is. It feels really good quality. Some of these pots that you get, they don't, whereas this feels equivalent to the Ninja, definitely this pot, obviously just on a smaller scale. And the power consumption on this is 1100 watts, so again a lot less than the Ninja. Right, okay, let's put the lid on and let's plug it in. Here we have status lines, so preheating, cooking, keeping warm, and then we've got pressure cook, rice, steam, cake, oatmeal and porridge, stew and broth, beans and grains, meat and poultry. Then we've got slow cook, saute, yogurt and sous vide. So let's just press one. Let's go to sous vide because the Ninja's not got that. And that is coming up at 57 degrees C. And let's just press start. Will it come up that we've got nothing in the pot? So lights come on now to say that it's preheating. You can also delay the start as well to this, so if you're out and about and you want your food in this and for it to come on and start cooking, you can do that as well, which I think is a really good option, especially on maybe the slow cook. Let me know in the comments. So you can, it is getting warm, you can take the lid off on the sous vide function. So I think it's probably struggling because we've got no water in it. Right, let's go to keep warm. Can't press that, so let's press cancel. So keep warm you can do as well without going on another function, which is really good. Let's slow cook. So you can do up to 24 hours on the slow cooker. So again, that's really good. The Ninja's only 8 hours. So, and then you can set the temperature to low, high, and just low and high on that. Meat and poultry, 35 minutes. Cake setting. Fantastic. So, which one of these should we try in the next video? Right, I think I've decided. I think it's got to be the old rice function, because people struggle loads with rice, and I'm going to be really honest, I'm not going to trial it or do anything before I do the video, and we're going to see how well the rice turns out together, me and you, and we're going to see if it really can create really nice rice. See if it burns, let's see if it sticks, let's see if it says add more water. I really don't know how it's going to work out, so I think as a little basic test first, next video let's do some rice. Right, price. Right, so this retails at £99, and if you head over to Amazon right now, and for Cosori's Prime Deal Days, you can get this for £71.99. I think for £71.99, that is an absolute bargain when you consider the Ninja Foodi. Yes, I know it's bigger, I know it can grill, it can air fry, but this has got functions that hasn't, and that is around £200 more than this. £200 more. So I think when it gets to the winter months, definitely, I think we're going to have some cook-offs with this. This versus the Ninja Foodi. Can this budget Cosori pressure cooker keep up and do as good a job as the Ninja? Let's do some side by side, same ingredients, same dish comparisons, and we're going to see which one turns out the better food. I think it's only fair. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cooking in this in future videos as well, and don't forget to head to my Facebook page, One Air Fryer Too Many, and join us over there. I'd love to push to 10,000 in the group. Come and say hello over there, and be sure to drop a like on this video, and don't forget to share with anyone you think might find it useful, and obviously hit the subscribe notifications. Right, until next time guys, thanks for watching, I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you again for the rice cooking session with this little bad boy.